Along with the arrival of fall and cooler temperatures comes the dreaded cold and flu season. As it turns out, the same viruses that cause colds and the flu can also lead to bronchitis. Roland Rodriguez joins us live from Bay Area Hospital. And Roland, if that happens, that's when things can get pretty serious.
Good morning, guys, and good morning, South Texas. Bronchitis is an infection that pretty much affects everyone sooner or later, and it happens during the colder weathers, and it often develops from a cold, sore throat, or the flu.
Do you have fever too?
If you are suffering with a severe cough, don't automatically write it off as flu or a winter cold. It might be bronchitis.
Bronchitis is a condition where you have inflammation of the inner lining of your breathing tubes that carries air to and from the lungs.
The symptoms of bronchitis may be similar to the flu.
Cough is very common. With the cough, you bring up phlegm. Color of the phlegm could range from white to yellow, even to green or gray. You can have fever, usually low-grade fever, fatigue, muscle aches, joint pains, mild headaches, sometimes shortness of breath, but it's very rare.
Unfortunately, some cold and flu illnesses can develop into more severe, not to mention prolonged conditions.
Exactly. If you're talking about acute bronchitis, usually it's a self-limiting condition. However, acute bronchitis, which is usually caused by viral infection, can have a secondary bacterial infection leading to the inflammation of lung tissue, what we call pneumonia. Now, pneumonia can lead to a lot of problems like pleurisy, infection of the lining of the lungs, or pulmonary abscesses.
Acute bronchitis can last up to 3 weeks. However, if you have repeated bouts of bronchitis, you may have chronic bronchitis, which requires medical attention.
It is a very common condition. As a matter of fact, about 10% of all the outpatient visits and about 100 million outpatient visits every year in the United States is because of acute bronchitis.
And a couple of ways to help prevent getting bronchitis is wash your hands and get vaccinated. If you'd like more information on bronchitis, all you have to do is visit our website at kristv.com.